Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming where sound should go: speakers, headphones, or HDMI. Check system and app volumes separately because one can be low while the other is fine. Once you see a mismatch, switch outputs and unmute. This forces the OS to reassign the audio device. If that fails, restart the media app to clear transient driver locks, since many problems are caused by stuck audio streams or permissions rather than hardware faults. Next, you address drivers and configuration. Update or roll back the audio driver depending on when the issue started, because new drivers can introduce regressions while old ones lack fixes. Check sample rate and bit depth in sound settings, and disable exclusive mode to avoid conflicts. Once done, test the file in another media player and a separate user account to separate profile corruption from system-level problems. Finish by reinstalling the media app and restarting audio services. This replaces corrupted files and refreshes service sockets. If internal hardware remains suspect, connect a USB or Bluetooth audio device to bypass onboard components and confirm whether the fault is system or device-specific. If problems persist, collect logs, note the exact symptoms, and try a factory audio profile reset before contacting support. This troubleshooting tip saves time because it reveals whether the issue is configuration-based or hardware-related.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.